And go.
Okay, so I'm in our QLogic 3 chair, and so we're just going to turn it on, and I have our joy bar hooked up. I've purposefully calibrated it so that it's going to have a bit of a veer, so I kind of held it sideways when I entered the calibration procedure. I believe this is the symptom that you're having, where you go forward and I'm having to correct. So like if I hold it forward, it goes sideways like that. So now what we're going to do is calibrate it. So before starting the calibration sequence, you want to leave it on for at least 10 seconds. That'll reset the timer. And then what you want to do is power it on 5 times, with the total on time being less than 10 seconds. That's number 2. Now on the 5th time, you want this to be in the straight position, because when it turns on, it'll calibrate it. It'll save the values as straight, whatever position this is in. Okay. Let's make sure yeah. Okay, so we're in calibration mode. What I did there was trigger the chair calibration sequence, and I'll show you that in just a second. So we can, this can stay in calibration mode for as long as you need it to, it'll stay until you restart it. So we're plugging in our handheld programmer. You can see that is indeed QLogic 3. We'll give it a minute to start up here. So by doing the power cycle thing, we calibrated the home position of the joy bar, and what we're going to do now is calibrate the joy bar to the wheelchair. All right. There we go. Okay, so we're going to go to program. We have this plugged into our enhanced displays. We're going to go to the enhanced display part. We have a proportional input, and we want to go to proportional calibration. Now, what I'm going to do to trigger the calibration sequence on the joy bar is simply just pull that all the way in once and click it. It takes about 60 seconds. The ProMobile chair has a nice display so you can see what's going on, but unfortunately QLogic just kind of holds you there. So you'll want to set a timer and wait 60 seconds for the full 2 circles to be output. Also, if you forget to enter calibration mode on the chair, just to keep the chair from driving away, if it starts moving, since this won't stop unless you go full reverse, that'll stop it. If you accidentally start the sequence by going forward, you can stop it by going full reverse. Okay, so now we'll press OK. Calibration successful. We want to save new values. Okay, so now our chair is calibrated and our joy bar is calibrated. The final thing we need to do is exit calibration mode by simply restarting the chair one more time. Saving our new settings. All right, unplug our handheld programmer. Now if I just go forward, we're going straight. Give you guys a better view. simply just going forward. No veers, not like we had in the first part, means the calibration was successful. And that's it.